again. Now, what is the implementation? This is our client class. We are having one interface and two classes implementing it in our separate module or in a separate package, the same implementation, or maybe within our own application we can have these things, right? Now, is it easy to expand? So I think now it's very understandable that it can be very easily expandable without changing these code lines. You can have a separate class within your package. This class will implement this interface, maybe or maybe outside this package, or maybe outside your component, or even say this is client using module or package. Client can itself implement a strategy by implementing this interface. So you need not to ship the module or jar again to the client. You just need to send either the patch or develop that particular concrete within your application. So it is easy to expand. It is easy to test also, because you are developing, you are creating separate code. You need not to test the already working functionality. You just test the new one. It is easy to reuse. You need not to supply the new jar. You can just give a patch to the client. So just supply this patch and this will work with all the clients that are using it. So don't get confused with this diagram. I am taking 2-3 examples where you are having it in a separate package or in a separate jar component itself. In all these scenarios, this is very easy to expand, test, reuse, and so it is easy to maintain also. And definitely, in long run, it is less costlier to use strategy wherever strategy can be applied. So let's see example working live. So just have a look. This is no strategy application client. Our original example where we were having calculate strategy, not calculate strategy, calculate class separately to calculate A and B and if else if ladder to return the proper value, and we are passing the type of the calculation. And this is the client application, and I am just executing it, and you will see the output that will come to be calculated value 10,15 will be 25, and the product 3 into 12 should be 36. So this is the output. Now let's see our strategy 01 implementation. This is our interface. I calculate strategy where we are having a behavior get value, and this is our calculate sum, which is implementing I calculate strategy 01, and this is the method implementation, concrete implementation, where returning A plus B, and this is our client application which is using strategy interface. This is the strategy interface. Cal01 is the reference, and cal01 dot get value with the concrete implementation of sum, and here concrete implementation of product. I am executing this and the same result will come. So this is the output. Sum 25, product 36. Now let's look at some of the variables.